In this video, we're going to talk about trimming. Trimming means that you shorten or you lengthen it. So you make it a little bit longer or you make it a little bit shorter. All right, so here are my videos, and you saw me in the last one where I got rid of the gaps. I want to make sure I have gaps. I like space in between because space is good. So when you trim, it's like cutting the fat, or it's like messing around with other stuff. So what you do is you can grab the end right here and you can shorten it just by pulling. So I'm grabbing the front of it. So I shortened it, just go, or I make it longer. If I want to make it shorter, I grab the end of it and I just bring it shorter. If I want to make it longer, it cannot be longer than the video already is. It can just be longer to the original thing. All right, so shorter, longer, or to the original. Same thing with these other ones. These other ones I kind of moved around a little bit, so now I'm going to go back and make them the original length. This is nice with the computer that you can go back to that. In the old days when you cut video, it was gone and you had to make sure that you could find it and tape it together. So I'm going to pull these back to their natural state. I'm going to go back and watch the videos, and so let's say I'm going to scrub all the way over here, remember? So maybe I don't want to start like that. The video started a little too low right there. So I'm going to start the video there. I'm going to grab this, I'm going to pull it to here. Actually, yep. So it cut off all that weird stuff I was doing earlier. I just didn't want to have that. Now the video's a little bit more straight, a little bit. And it keeps doing that type of stuff. Again, our goal is just to trim it. We're going to trim that, and maybe I don't want the entire, let's see, if I scrub this back by pulling, that's 37 seconds, and it goes all the way to a minute. That's already 30 seconds. So maybe I don't want that entire thing. I'm going to put it there. Maybe I'll trim this back a little bit, trim that fat off. Okay, now I have this little portion, and I'm just going to go whoop. I'll trim it just a little bit more, and now I've got my video. So again, trimming is just cutting out the stuff we don't use. All right, and you can do it in the front of a clip or the back of a clip. If you do anything in the middle, it's completely different. But this is trimming, just to get the meat, the main idea of this.